Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And if you're a returner, welcome back. Today we have Single Ladies Saturday. So stick around and find out which single ladies I'm using today.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
Alright, let me preface this by saying I'm not the single lady. These are the single ladies. Single loose powders, single liquid shadows, single pressed shadows, stick shadows. Those are the single ladies. We don't find ourselves using a lot of single shadows, and so Sue and I came up with the Single Ladies Saturday collab to help us use what we paid for. We paid for all these single shadows, or we got them in subscription boxes, and we want to use them. They're beautiful, and we want to use them. So that's what we're doing. We're using them. So the whole point of this is that we use singles. We can use a palette to help supplement some of the shades in the look. Most of our shadows are going to be shimmers, because that's usually what we get, is shimmery shadows. So we are going to use from Z Cosmetics. We have a blue purple. It's got a purple pink shift and it shifts blue. This is purple green pink shifting, also from Z Cosmetics. And then we have from Beauty Moon Cosmetics a single shade, and it is a white with a pink shift. So those are the ones we are going to use today. So I'm going to put some mattes down on my face really quickly, and then we're going to get into the singles.
It echoes through my head. My mind's spinning round my bed, and then I fall to a place where the memories erase, where the sun begins to shine down upon my face, where I'm not afraid to say that everything's okay. You're where my home is, and this is where I'll stay. The sun, it doesn't shine when I can't see your face. I guess I'm just not in the place to sit here by myself. You're at the tip of my tongue, but I'm feeling numb. Where the memories erase, where the sun begins to shine down upon my face, where I'm not afraid to say that everything's okay. You're where my home is, and this is where I'll stay. till morning breaks, till the night falls away. I'll stay awake till morning breaks. I'll be okay. And then I fall to a place where the memories erase, where the sun begins to shine down upon my face, where I'm not afraid to say that everything's okay. You're where my home is, and this is where I'll stay. This is where I'll stay. This is where I'll stay.
I used this from Z Cosmetics. It is a blue, purple, pink shifting. I used this from Z Cosmetics, which is purple, green shifting. Then on my inner corner, I used from Beauty Moon Cosmetics this white shade that is pink shifting. And this is the look I came up with using my single ladies. So what do you think? I quite enjoy the pink above the bold colors. It kind of softens it for me. I'm quite impressed with these shades, and I am really excited that I got the chance to use some shades that I've never actually used before. If you would like to use some of your single ladies, you are free to join our collab. We do have a chat group, and there is no pressure to post. We post on the first and the third Saturdays of every month. If you get a video done and you want to post on that Saturday, you are free to join us. If you do not have a video, no big deal, no pressure. You do not have to participate every single time. It's kind of on a volunteer basis. But we are quite enjoying being able to use our single shades. And again, these are the single ladies. The shades are our ladies. So if you'd like to crack open a few of your single ladies and use some of them a little more, you are more than welcome to join us. You can contact anyone in the collab, and you're free to participate as you have time. There is a playlist linked in the description box. Go check out every one of our fantastic creators who have joined us, who have chosen to participate this week. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that good stuff is below as well. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
This is where I'll stay. Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.